Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming capability and access. First, verify your router supports 5G or the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band and note the model number. This matters because not all models can broadcast the higher band. Once done, update the router firmware to ensure compatibility and security, and make sure you have the admin username and password ready. Also confirm your ISP plan and local signal availability. If the provider or plan lacks 5G support, activation on the device won't work. Now you'll access the router's admin interface and enable the band. Log in via the router IP or companion app using your admin credentials, then navigate to wireless settings. Enable the 5 GHz band and create a clear SSID and strong password. This separates the faster network from the crowded 4 GHz band. Make sure to pick an appropriate channel width like 40 or 80 MHz for throughput and set WPA2 or WPA3 security. These choices balance speed and stability for connected devices. Finish by connecting your devices and verifying performance. Reconnect your phone, laptop, or smart TV to the new 5 GHz SSID and run a speed test to confirm higher throughput. If speeds are poor, reposition the router for better line of sight and away from metal or microwave interference. Make sure devices support 5 GHz. If problems persist, reboot the router, try a different channel to avoid interference, or, as a last resort, perform a factory reset and reconfigure the settings carefully to restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.